Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your right hand across your body, placing it to your left shoulder. Keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center. Moving into one more neck stretch variation. Place your hands one on top of the other, lightly pressing below your neck. Alternate gently looking up, lifting through your chin, and drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue moving at your own pace, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.